Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. So in today's episode, we're going to talk about how silicone coating is an inexpensive roof repair option. So you have a roof that may be not flooded, but maybe in good condition, not the worst, but you want to get under warranty, you want it redone, restored, and you're looking at silicone coating. And you wonder, why is it more inexpensive or cost effective than other roofing systems? And really the number one benefit is that you don't need to remove the whole roof. You don't need to rip the entire thing off. When you do silicone coating systems, all you need to do is identify the areas of your roof that are wet or saturated. They get identified with core samples or through an infrared inspection, but a contractor will remove those areas, replace those areas with similar roof that you already have, prep the roof, and then install the silicone coating over top. There may be some adhesion tests and some seam treatments that you have in your roof, just to make sure those seams stay down put. But the reason why it's inexpensive is because you don't need to rip off the whole roof. It's pretty simple. Usually a silicone roof coating system is around $2 to $3.50 a square foot. There's a lot of variables, how far away you are, what kind of warranty you want, how thick the coating that goes down. So a lot of variables there, but $2 to $3.50 a square foot is pretty average. So yeah, that's really it. If you want to learn more about this subject, please click the description. There's a URL to the full blog post to learn more. And if you have any questions or if you'd like to get a quote for your roof with coating, please let us know. We'd be happy to do that. And thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.